Hello everyone, so if you want to enable or disable multi-point connection on your Sony WH-CH520 headphones, first of all make sure that your headphones are connected to your phone. Now open up your Sony Sound Connect application. Alright, so make sure to be connected to it, of course. Now locate my device, so this is the first tab. Scroll down to the bottom, find your device setting, open it up, find your system tab. In your system, enable the switch near connect to two devices simultaneously. So tap on it, press OK. After changing the setting, your headphones might temporarily disconnect and reconnect. As they just did, don't worry, a little patience and we're all set. Now we can connect to two devices simultaneously, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.